Hey everybody, this is Fulio
and Vale
of Echale Porras Productions, and today we're going to be showing you guys how to make
some lemon cookies. So let's start off with our ingredients. First, we're going to have 1/2 cup or 1 stick of unsalted butter. We're going to have 1 egg, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 1/2 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 1 1/2 tablespoon of lemon zest, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 1/4 cup of flour. Let's get started. In a large mixing bowl, we're gonna mix our softened butter and our 3/4 sugar. So with your spatula, you're gonna wanna smash your butter and sugar together just to get it nice and combined. This is how we do it. This is how we mix it. So now we're gonna add in our 1 egg. Just mix that. Always be sure to scrape down the sides of your bowl just to make sure that everything gets incorporated. Now we're gonna add our 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, as well as our tablespoon and 1/2 of lemon. And then we're gonna add our 1 tablespoon and 1/2 of lemon juice. Now we're gonna mix this all together. Alright, so now into a separate bowl, we're going to measure out 1 1/4 cup of flour. So I like to just scoop it up with a spoon and then take the other side and just level it off. This is the 1/4. Now we're gonna add in 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Now we're just gonna mix that all together. Okay, back into our main bowl, we're gonna add in our dry ingredients and just mix that up. So once again, be sure that you scrape down the sides just to make sure that everything is fully incorporated. Okay, so we're gonna drop around tablespoon size balls onto your parchment lined baking sheet. Put them about like 1 inch or 2 apart just to make sure that they don't hit each other while baking. So make sure your oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna put these in for about 10 to 12 minutes. Alright, so our cookies were in the oven for about 11 minutes. We let them cool. Now we put them out onto a plate. So we have our professional cookie taste tester here. Mami, echale porras. Okay, go ahead, try one. I think perfect. These are really good, really lemony. They're soft, and it's like you can eat 3 or 4 at a time and not even notice.
Let me try one myself. Not good. One of my favorite cookies. I think it goes chocolate chip, oatmeal cranberry. That's right, cranberry oatmeal, lemon, etc. Anyways, there you have it. Lemon cookies. Sweet treats by Vale. We hoped you liked the video. If you did, smash that like button and make sure you subscribe so you can keep up to date with all our recipes. We got some more baking, we got some pizza, we got everything under the sun. We're gonna try and pick it up again. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, make sure you ring the little bell next to it so you know when our next video comes out. And as always, stay safe, stay awesome, peace.